This right here is my current bathroom light, and I think it's definitely time for some upgrade. There's nothing really wrong with this solution also, except you have light coming directly to your eyes when you use this mirror, and you can easily burn yourself on this light if you come too close to the mirror. You know how you say it, I'm gonna fix it tomorrow, I'm gonna fix it tomorrow, and guess what? This setup right here, it's like this for 10 years already. Luckily, I don't live in this apartment because my wife will probably divorce me so far because of this light. Step number one is to turn off the breaker. We don't want to get hit by the good old electricity. Now let's remove this bulb and let's remove this fixture. Also, as you can see right here on the side of this bulb fixture, we have these small pins. We just need to loosen them up a little bit and this bulb fixture will be free. Now just remove the wires. Usually you can just tear them out from this fixture, just like that. I have bought this beautiful light fixture in my local light store. The beauty of these all-in-one lights is that they are very practical. This is an LED light which is already assembled and connected, and you just need to connect it to the power source. The height of this light is also very important. You don't want it to be too low because then the light will get in your eyesight, and you also don't want it to be too high because then you won't be able to see anything in the mirror. Something optimal like this, let's say it somewhere around 10 to 20 centimeters above your head. This is perfect. Of course, first you need to mount this new LED light fixture to the bathroom wall. If you want to see how you can easily drill holes in a bathroom tiles, then check out this video in the right corner. Now, as you can see, we got perfect holes without any cracks in these tiles. Make sure your holder is completely vertical. You can always adjust it a little bit with screws later. Now, this is the tricky part. You need to cut this electrical cable so it can fit into this light housing. We don't want any cables to be visible around here. You also want to have this cable as long as possible. Maybe you will move your light up or down later, so it's always a good thing to have a flexible cable. The easiest way is to use these small connectors to connect the original wall wires to the new light fixture wires. Brown to the brown, which is a plus pole, and blue to the blue, which is a minus pole. At this point, you want to turn the breaker on just to check if you have light in your new light. When everything is working fine, mount your new light to the wall holder and make sure everything is leveled up nicely. This was a setup where I was too lazy to replace this ugly looking thing, and this is a setup where with just a little bit of work you got yourself a very nice bathroom. Now if you want to see how to install similar LED light in your kitchen, then check out this video right here. Or if you want to see how to change your halogen light with some LED light, then check out this video right here. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.